Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over why Kitchenaid dishwashers rate so high. I know last week we did Bosch. This week we're going to do Kitchenaid because it seems like every year they fight back to back on who makes the better dishwasher. On one side of the spectrum you have Bosch, who's kind of manufactured over in Europe. Kitchenaid, mostly assembled in America. But let's dive into this one. This is the KDTM354. This is one of their upper line levels for Kitchenaid. This one has a lot of features, and we're going to kind of go through them today. So first off, Kitchenaid, the front, they have their distinct handles. They offer these models in the handle, or they offer the pocket handle, whatever preference that you like. Controls on these are on the top. We're going to kind of go over some of these features here in a second. This guy is 44 decibels, so super quiet. Kitchenaid dishwashers are kind of known for being quiet and drying a little bit better than Bosch dishwashers. So one thing I really like about this particular dishwasher, through Cascade is who they're going to recommend for the detergent. If you lift this up, you can actually fill this and it'll last a few washes. With this, it actually does a calibrated fill of detergent, and it knows how much detergent to release. So all you gotta do is fill this up once. It'll actually last a few loads. Same thing for your Pro Wash. For your detergent, you have your hard or soft water depending on what you have at your house. But you kind of calibrate this once you get used to knowing if you don't like spots in your dishes. KitchenAids are great for that, because using your soft or your hard water settings with your pre-wash, you could kind of calibrate that so you don't have that many issues with that. Interior, one big key difference on Bosch versus KitchenAid. KitchenAids use a heating element, and they have a heated dry option. Bosch's still have a heating element, but it heats up the water, doesn't necessarily have a heating element, just like the KitchenAids do. So these ones have a pro dry option, which basically uses its heating element, and it has fans built into this, will actually circulate the hot air around so your dishes will dry a little bit faster. This one, nylon coated racks, really durable racks for KitchenAid on the top here. These ones actually do adjust on the top as well. I believe it has 3 different levels. Oh, I'm wrong, just 2. But ball bearing racks glide smooth and really easy, so if you got a lot of heavy dishes, they kind of slide in and out nicely. This particular dishwasher is known for kind of fighting nasty dishes. In the back here, you have your Pro Scrub. So that guy is actually 32 different. They're specifically designed jets where they've done a lot of research and development, and that actually will blast this back rack as well as a top rack depending on what you have in there. So this dishwasher works great. I've had a lot of the consumers that have bought this dishwasher seem to love it. They say they don't have a lot of spots on the dishes. They come out actually dry. Really nice dishwasher. On the top here, Pro Wash. That's just going to activate some of your jets on the bottom. Pro Scrub's going to accidentally, it's on the back jets, it's going to activate in the back, and it's going to turn those on. Your Pro Dry is going to activate your heating element and the fan. Express Wash, it's got a slower wash, faster wash. What it'll actually do, I think it cuts your wash time in about half by using less water. But KitchenAid dishwashers are great. If I was to compare the two myself, I'd personally pick a KitchenAid over Bosch. I just think they wash a little bit better. They're more, not as concerned about energy efficiency as Bosch. I'm more about getting results, getting the dishes clean, and getting them dry. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.